Hello everyone, I'm Shakti Priya from CAC department. Today we are going to uh, see about neural network, about the topic how perceptron of binary classification is implemented using the neural network technique. So first we are going to see what is meant by perceptron. A perceptron is a basic learning algorithm invented in 1959 by Frank Rosenwald. So, it is invented by Frank Rosenwald in 1955. It is meant to be mimic the work logic of biological neuron. The human brain is basically a collection of many interconnected neurons. Each one receives a set of input, applies some sort of computation on them, and propagates the result to other neurons by assigning a weight to its fusion. To accomplish this, a perceptron undergoes two phases: first, a training phase and then testing phase. During training phase, weights are initialized to orbit. In testing phase, the algorithm is ready to test it against a new set of completely unknown samples. So the important key points to be focused to implement a perceptron are: the models have to be trained with high number of already classified sample. Then it is difficult to know a priori this number. A few dozen may be enough in very simple cases, while in other thousands or many points. And then a perceptron requires a linearly separable samples to achieve convergence. The math of perceptron. If we represent samples as vector of size n, so here n represents the number of features. A perceptron can be modeled through the composition of two functions. The first one, f of x, maps the input feature x vector to a scalar value shifted by a bias. So the threshold function is given by t of x is equal to sine f of x, 1 if f of x is greater than or equal to 0, and minus 1 otherwise. So by using the necessary algorithm and program, we have to implement the given code in Colab. So if you implement the given code in the Google Colab, you'll get the necessary output with the following graph.